This is how you're going to set up email in Cloudflare using the email routing for free. So Cloudflare email routing allows you to create custom domain email addresses like info@yourdomain.com and forward the email to your existing personal inbox like Gmail or Outlook without needing a full mail server. So first, you're going to add domain to Cloudflare. Ensure that your domain is already managed by Cloudflare's DNS. So you can do this by heading over to your domain registration right here at the left side panel, and then from here you can either manage domain, transfer domain, or register a domain. So if you already have an existing domain, you can just click on transfer right here. Now, you can access the email section after. You're going to log into your Cloudflare dashboard, select your domain, and click on email in the left sidebar. You're going to set up the routing. You're going to click on get started and then create address. Now, you're going to enter the custom email you want, like for example, sales@yourdomain.com, and then from there, you're going to enter your actual email, like for example, your email@gmail.com. After that, you're going to hit on save. Now, step 4 is you're going to configure DNS. Cloudflare will actually prompt you to automatically add the necessary MX and TXT records to your DNS settings. You have to confirm this change. Now, after that, you can do this by putting it right here. You can just enter your existing domain right here and then quick scan for DNS records for the step 3 or the step 4. Now, for step 5, you're going to verify destination. Cloudflare will send a verification email to your destination address. Click the link that in the email to confirm the forwarding is active. And that is how you're going to email, or you're going to set up the email on Cloudflare using the email routing for free. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.